Hello students, welcome to the science class. We have seen in previous session measurement lesson. In this lesson, we have seen definition of measurement, physical quantity, fundamental quantities and their SI units, derived quantities and their SI units, area of regularly shaped figures, area of irregularly shaped figures, volume of regularly and irregularly shaped objects, and last one, volume of liquids. We have seen these topics briefly in previous session. Now we have studied about this class density. What is density? The lightness or heaviness of a body is due to density. If more mass is packed into the same volume, it has greater density. If less mass is packed in the same volume, it has lesser density. See these two examples. First one, two objects here. This volume is same, but high density object having more molecules and low density object having less molecules. From this example, more mass object has greater density, but less mass object has less density. See next example. Concrete and air in balance. Which one more density? Yes, concrete has more density. Which one lesser density? Yes, air is lesser density. So, the lightness or heaviness of a body is due to density. What is density? Density is simply how much matter, that means mass, you have crammed is a given space. Space is volume. Density is determined by dividing the mass of the object by the volume of the object. Example, if you have two objects that are the same size, but one of the object contains more matter, then you would say that it has greater density than the other object. See this picture. Take a water in a beaker and drop an iron ball, glass, balloon, plastic bottle, pin, stone, etc. What do you observe? The iron ball, glass, stone are sinks in water, but balloon, plastic bottle and pin are floating in the water. So, heavy objects sinks in water and lighter objects float in water. Definition of density. Density of substance is defined as the mass of the substance contained in unit volume 1 meter power 3. If the mass of the substance is capital M, whose volume is capital V, then the equation for density is given as formula of density. Density is denoted capital D equal to mass denoted capital M by volume denoted capital V. Capital D equal to M by V, that is density equal to mass by volume. SI unit of density is kilogram by meter cube. The formula of density is density equal to mass by volume. D denoted density, M is mass and V volume. SI unit of density is kilogram by meter cube. Next, density of different material. See the picture. A person having two things. These are different material. What are that? Yes, pillow and brick. Here, pillow has less density, isn't it? Yes, and brick has more density. From this picture, we learn different materials have different densities. The materials with higher density are called denser, and the materials with lower density are called rarer. Tell me, which one denser and which one rarer here? Yes, brick is denser and pillow is rarer. Good. Density of common substances at room temperature are given below. The common substances are gas, liquid and solid. Here gas material is air and density is 1.2 kilogram by meter cube. Air density is 1.2 kilogram by meter cube. Next, liquid. Materials are kerosene and water. Here, what is the density of kerosene? Yes, 800 kilogram by meter cube. And water density is 1000 kilogram by meter cube. From this table, which one has more density? Identify the more density. Yes, water has more density. Water density is 1000 kilogram by meter cube. Relationship between density, mass and volume. The relationship between mass, density and volume are represented in the following density triangle. First one, density. The volume of mass per unit of volume of an object or substance is density. Density equal to mass per volume. Next, mass. The amount of matter that an object or substance contains, mass. Mass equal to density into volume. Next one, volume. The amount of space measured in cubic units that an object or substance occupies, volume. Volume equal to mass per density. We can calculate density, mass and volume using this formula. Density equal to mass per volume. Mass equal to density into volume. Volume equal to mass by density. This is the relationship between density, mass and volume. Measuring distance of celestial bodies. Celestial body meaning a natural object which is located outside of Earth's atmosphere, such as the moon, the sun, an asteroid, planet or star. See this picture. These are the celestial body. Once again I'll repeat. A celestial body means a natural object which is located outside of Earth's atmosphere, such as the moon, the sun, an asteroid, planet or star. This picture are celestial bodies, stars, moon, earth, etc. Measuring distance of celestial bodies. We use centimeter, meter and kilometer to express the distances that we measure in our day-to-day life. But for space research, astronomers need to measure very long distances, such as the distance between the Earth and a star or the distance between two stars. These distances we shall learn about two such units, namely astronomical units. Next, light year. We can measure celestial bodies using this such two units are astronomical units and light year. First one, astronomical unit. We all know that the earth revolves around the sun in an elliptical orbit. The distance between the sun and the earth varies every day. When the earth is in its perihelion position, the perihelion position is position of the shortest distance between the earth and the sun. The distance between the earth and the sun is about 147.1 million kilometer. When the earth is in its farthest position, that is when the distance between earth and sun is the largest distance. The largest distance called aphelion position. Aphelion is position of the largest distance between the earth and the sun. See the first picture. 1, 2 are earth, 3 is sun. The distance between 3 and 1 is aphelion position. That means largest distance. The distance between 3 and 2 is perihelion position. That is shortest distance between sun and earth. One astronomical unit defined as the average distance between the earth and the sun. 1 AU, that is astronomical unit, is 149.6 million kilometer or 149.6 into 10 power 6 kilometer or 1.496 in 10 power 11 meter. In measurement lesson, last topic is light year. We can clearly see that using the astronomical unit for measuring distances of stars would be unwieldy. Therefore, astronomers use a special unit called light year for measuring the distance in deep space. What is light year? A light year is not a unit of time, it is a unit of distance. It is used to measure distance in space. Distance that light travels in 1 year. The value of a light year is in kilometer 9.4607 in 10 power 12 kilometer. 1 light year is defined as the distance traveled by light in vacuum during the period of 1 year. 1 light year equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. From this lesson, the important points are a set of physical quantities which cannot be expressed in terms of any other quantities are known as fundamental quantities. Their corresponding units are called fundamental units. Second point, the physical quantities which can be obtained by mathematically combining the fundamental quantities are known as derived quantities. Their corresponding units are called derived units. Third point, the area of figure is the region covered by the boundary of the figure. Its SI unit is square meter. Next, the area of irregularly shaped figures can be calculated with the help of a graph sheet. Next one, the amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object is known as its volume. The SI unit of volume is cubic meter. Next one, the triangle density equal to mass per volume, mass equal to density into volume, volume equal to mass per density. One astronomical unit equal to 149.6 into 10 power 6 kilometer. Last one light year equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. Okay children, we'll meet next session.